Hello, good morning students. Welcome in SPIT online classes. मैं रामपाल प्रजापत from electrical department. Dear student, in today class we will discuss on circuit analysis part 30. And for today class our topic is conversion of two-port network parameters, in which we will discuss conversion of H parameter to Z parameter. So first we discuss about a two-port network. In the given figure, a two-port network consists of input port and output port. Voltage at input port is V1, current is I1, and at output port voltage is V2 and current is I2. So using these parameters of input and output port, we write some equations in terms of H parameter or in terms of Z parameter. So here we have to represent Z parameters in terms of H parameter. So in this case, Z parameters are the desired parameters and H parameters are the given parameters. So in step first, we know that the following set of equations of two-port network regarding Z parameters are V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. These are the voltage equation at port 1 and at port 2. Now in step 2, we know that the following set of two equations of two-port network regarding H parameters are V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Next in step 3, we modify the above equations of H parameters. So using equation 2, that is I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So we modify this equation. I2 minus H21 I1 is equal to H22 V2. From this equation we find the value of V2, that is I2 minus H21 I1 upon H22, and V2 is equal to minus of H21 upon H22 into I1 plus I2 upon H22. Now the above equation is in the form of V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So here Z21 is equal to minus of H21 upon H22 and Z22 is equal to 1 upon H22. Now we substitute the value of V2 in first equation of step 2. So V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H21 into constant minus of H21 upon H22 into I1 plus I2 upon H22. So we find V1 is equal to H11 H22 minus H12 H21 upon H22 into I1 plus H12 H22 into I2. So therefore the Z parameter matrix is Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22, that is equal to matrix of H11 H22 minus H12 H21 upon H22 or H12 upon H22. Z21 is minus of H21 upon H22 and Z22 is 1 upon H22. So using matrix form, we can find the value of Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. So in the given question, find H parameters of the given network and convert into Z parameters. So first of all, we find H parameters of the given question or network. So in the given question, there are three branches consist of resistance of 10 ohm, 10 and 20 ohm. So first we find H11. H11 is equal to V1 upon I1, V1 upon I1 when V2 is equal to 0. When V2 is equal to 0. So network becomes in such a manner, that is 10, 10, 20 and V1, I1. So V1 is equal to I1Z, that is 10 plus 10 parallel 20. That is 10 plus 10 parallel 20 means 10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20. So we find the value of V1 upon I1 is equal to 10 plus 6.66. So its value becomes 16.66 ohm. So next parameter is H12. Next parameter is H12 and H12 is equal to V1 upon V2 when I1 is equal to 0. So network becomes V2, I2, 20 and 10. So V1 is equal to 10 I2 and V2 is equal to 30 I2. So V1 upon V2 is equal to 10 and 20. 20 I2 upon 30 I2. So ratio of V1 upon V2 is 2 upon 3. That is equal to H12. Next parameter is H21. H21. H21 is equal to I2 upon I1. I2 upon I1 when V2 is equal to 0. So network is 10, 20, 10, V1 and I1. We have to find I2 upon I1. So I2 in terms of I1 is, I2 is here. Using current division rule, we know that I2 is equal to 20 I1 upon 30. And I2 upon I1, I1 upon I2 is, we have to find the ratio of I2 upon I1. So I2 upon I1 is equal to 2 upon 3. That is equal to H21. So the value of H21 is 2 upon 3. Next parameter is Z22. H22. Next parameter is H22. Value of H22 is I2 upon V2. I2 upon V2 when I1 is equal to 0. So network becomes in such a manner. So here is V2, current is I2. So V2 is equal to 20 and 10. V2 is equal to 30 of I2. So I2 upon V2 is 1 upon 30. So in such a manner we have find the value of H11, H12, H21 and H22. So matrix becomes H11, H12, H21 and H22 is equal to 16.66, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and I2 upon V2 is 1 upon 30. Using these values we can find Z parameter. So Z parameter is Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. So here Z11 is equal to H11 H22 minus H21 and H12 upon H22. So here we can put the value of H11 is 16.66, H22 is 1 upon 30 minus H21 is 2 upon 3 and H12 is 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 30. Similarly, Z2 is equal to H12 upon H22. So H12 is 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 30. H21 is equal to Z21 is equal to minus of H21 upon H22. Value of H21 is 3 upon 2 and value of H22 is 1 upon 30. Next is Z22. Z22 is equal to 1 upon H22. Value of H22 is 1 upon 30. So value of Z22 is 30 ohm. This is the procedure of finding Z parameters in terms of H parameter. So thank you for today's class.
होगी बात ये देखना है सर एक बार